Good afternoon, this is Lance Leo and this is the tunnel going to Golden Gate Bridge. Ayun na si Golden Gate. Diyan tayo pupunta. So hindi naman siya kulay na gold. Actually it's red. Pag nasisikatan siya ng araw, first thing in the morning, doon mo siya nakikita yung kulay niya talaga. So that's the Golden Gate. Yung sa baba yung Japanese garden. Yeah. Welcome to Golden Gate Bridge. Ayan, papasok na tayo ng Golden Gate Bridge.